Make sure you stay tuned till the end. We'll talk about 2 common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a dot charger. If you have one of those, you're trying to find where the fuse for the battery sensor is located. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. We'll talk why it's super important to test fuses, common mistakes people make when replacing a fuse or relay that can cost you thousands of dollars of damages, and where to buy cheap fuses from. All that will be covered today, guys. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys want to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge or any vehicle, you want to get them at a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's continue now. So most people will open the hood, V6, V8, doesn't matter, it will work about the same, but they will open the hood and they will hope that this fuse is in that fuse box, but it's not, guys, it's not there, it's somewhere else, and you wonder where. So you're going to come, okay, to the trunk of the vehicle. But before we continue, if you have problems with the charging system, battery sensors, anything like that, in some cases after fuse replacement or part replacement, you may require, guys, actually module resets, and you can actually use a computer like this one, read all the codes and delete everything all at once. You can reset, you can access every computer system in your car. I will put the link in the description of the video below if you want to check the current price, features. It's amazing too, that can pay itself off practically in one-time use. So check out these two, guys, it works on any car you can think of. So let's go to the trunk, we'll explain where the fuse is located. If it's bad and you replace it, replace battery sensor. In some cases you still need to reset the code. So you will need to open the trunk. When you open the trunk, guys, right here you need to lift up the cargo cover. Once you lift it up, you get to the spare tire and the car battery. That's your car battery right here. This device right here is your battery sensor. We have a special video that explains how to replace battery sensor and what the battery sensor is for. Very important video. Now let's talk why it's super important, okay, for most fuses and relays to disconnect the car battery, because otherwise you can cause damage to electrical components, modules, computers, and that can be expensive. Another thing, on these new cars, it's very important, it matters which battery terminal to disconnect or reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can still burn electronics, modules, computers. We did that ourselves. It cost us only $2,000 for a new airbag control module on a Mercedes. So there is a video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out. Next, you have a fuse box. Here you're going to press down, open it just like that. Once you open that fuse box, guys, you will need to find the fuse. You have different kinds of fuses. Very important to test always fuses. Do not just try to look and find out if it's good or bad. Sometimes they may seem that they're perfectly fine, but they're actually bad fuses. And let's say you thought yours was good, it looks good, you put it back in, you buy a new battery sensor, you waste your time, money to replace it, to find one, and all you had to do is test the fuse, find out it's bad. We will put a link to a video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. So check it out, that's for your convenience, guys. Now if you come right here, in that, you can see in that direction right here, 1 2 3 4. So right here, and we start from the very left, not counting the big fuse right here, 1 2 3 4. For that 5 amp fuse, guys, that's the one that we need to check. So we'll go ahead, grab it with the fuse puller, pull it out, perfect, and it came out. If you need to buy a replacement one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. When you're ready, go ahead, push it back in, make sure it's tight, everything's good, go ahead, close it, and you're practically ready to go. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.